Hey, what's up you guys? So with just 10 to 20 minutes of work a day, I'm gonna show you how to start making money on ClickBank just like this. Now in this step-by-step tutorial for beginners, I'm gonna show you how you can start making money online using ClickBank. Now the cool thing is I'm gonna show you how to use this without any website, without using any money, and with using 100% free traffic. Really excited to get into this video. Now guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyle. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how you can start an online business, how you can grow a brand and following, how you can crush it with YouTube ads, and anything that pertains with affiliate marketing. So guys, if you're interested in learning how I've been able to go from 0 to 6 figures in just 6 months and quitting my job in 9 months, please subscribe to my channel. I'm coming out with content almost every single day. Now guys, let's get into the actual video and using this method. Now the first thing is we need to figure out a niche, right? We need to figure out what type of niche are we gonna get into when we're promoting these ClickBank products, right? So if we go to Google and just type in dog training tips, okay? We're gonna first find a website. Now this is just an example of dog training, right? Now we can get into anything health and fitness, making money online, stock tips, how to do Bitcoin. It doesn't really matter, okay? All I'm doing here, okay, and this is just step 1, is we're finding a website with a ton of content, okay? So I'm just gonna show you an example. Everything's gonna make sense once I put it all together. Now, if I go to Google and type in dog training tips, I wanna find a website that's gonna give me maybe top 5 tips or top 10 tips, something of that nature, and we're gonna use that to make ClickBank sales, okay? So I'm gonna find one real quick. If I go down here we go, 10 training tips for your dog. Now, it doesn't matter which website we're using, but I'm gonna show you how we use this content for our own links, okay? It's gonna be a really cool method that we're gonna be using, okay? So if I click this link here, here's the actual article, right? It's from Pedigree, it's legit. This is what I recommend, right? Use an article that people trust, they know, like, and trust, right? So right here, they're basically giving 10 tips on how to train your dog, okay? So we know the article, we know what type of niche we're in. Now we need to find a product. So we're gonna go to a website called clickbank.com. You guys obviously know what ClickBank is if you clicked on this video, but if you don't know, it's basically a website where you go and find products where you can promote. So for example, you can promote dog products, health and fitness products, anything of that nature, and they're all online products. So I'm gonna show you how to make money with ClickBank, okay? So the cool thing here is you can sign up absolutely free here. So if you go to sign up on the right, you could actually sign up for a free account just right here. Once you sign up, you can tell ClickBank how you want to get paid, whether it's a check or whether it's a bank account, okay? You can do one or the other, okay? So once you sign up for a ClickBank account, you're basically gonna go to the marketplace. So once you sign up, guys, you're gonna go to this marketplace right here. And what you want to do is type in dog training inside of here, okay? Because now we want to find a product that pertains to the niche, okay? Now again, I'm going to show you how to do this absolutely free. We don't have to use landing pages, websites, tools. This is going to be all 100% free, and you can start making money online. So guys, I'm going to hit dog training here. We're going to see what products do they have for dog training, right? So as you can see, I typed in dog training, and there's a ton of different products, right? Dog training secrets, instant obedience dog training, brain training for dogs. Now there's a few things I want to look at here. First of all is how much am I going to make, right? So this one here will make $40. This one here is $1, so that one doesn't really interest me. $31 here, $163 here. So you can kind of see what they have and what products you can promote, okay? So I'm just gonna go to the top here. I'm gonna start with this one, okay? I wanna check this out. I wanna see what type of product this is, right? So fix your dog, no more barking, biting, pulling. Okay, cool. So how to fix your bad dog behavior, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it's got a sales letter, and then should have something to buy here. Okay, get it now. So here we go. So $100 product. They probably have some upsells. I like this product, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and sell this product, but how do we do that, right? So first of all, we need to get our affiliate link. So how do we get our affiliate link on ClickBank? So if we hit promote, it's gonna come up with this hop link here. So if I hit generate hop link, this is our special link, okay? If people click on this link, we actually make money, right? We make up to $40 per sale. So I'm gonna come back to this link, but I'm gonna show you a really cool website that you can use absolutely free, and we're gonna use it with the article that we just found, okay? So if I go back over here, we're gonna go to a website called exitbar.io. Okay, now this is a really cool website, guys, because what this does, and I'm just gonna show you, okay? So basically, we're gonna find engaging content, right? Which is what we already did. We found a website that people know, like, and trust, right? I'm sure all of you have heard of Pedigree, right? It's a huge dog brand, you know, for pets, whatever it is, right? Then we're gonna set up your pop-up, which we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you how to do that with our ClickBank offer, okay? Then we're gonna share the link, which is getting traffic, okay? So how do we do this, guys? Basically, we're gonna hit create link here on the top right, okay? So once we do that, it's gonna come up with this link here. Now, the cool thing is that you don't even need a website to make this method work. Or I'm sorry, you don't need an account to make this method work. But what we're gonna do here is we're gonna click the URL to shorten the link, okay? So I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna copy this link from this article we found on Google, okay? So we're gonna copy that, we're gonna paste that inside of here, we're gonna hit go. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a pop-up that pops up on that page. I'm gonna show you exactly how this works, okay? So link name, I'm just gonna put dog training here. Pop-up, we're gonna do a redirect, and then shorten domain, we could just leave that as is, okay? So everything looks good here. It doesn't contain adult content, so we can take that off. So we're gonna hit next step here. And then we're gonna basically add all the information of the actual product we're selling, right? So you can see all the things we have here. Let's start, I'm just gonna do this with you guys. So heading, guys, this is simple. I'm literally just gonna model what we're using, right? So we wanna send them to this product here. So I'm just gonna use the heading they have, right? So how to fix dog bad behavior and have the perfect dog, okay? That's a good heading. They've already done the work, they've done the research. So I'm gonna use that right here. It says 50 characters, so hopefully that'll work. And then text, I'm just gonna use whatever they have on here, okay? So let's see if it lets us do that much. Okay, I'm gonna take that here. And it should let me, okay? So it might be a little too long, but we're just gonna copy what they already have since they already did the work, right? Redirect delay, I'm gonna actually do this let's just do this as 5 seconds, okay? Logo, we can go ahead and add a dog logo if you want. Basically, I would do that. I would go find a logo just so it makes sense. I'm not gonna do that right now, but you can add that if you want. Continue button, just hit yes. And then you can change the colors however you want. I'm not gonna do this, guys, because I wanna show you how this works, okay? I wanna show you the call to action, which is the most important, right? This is how we get paid, right? So I'm just gonna put learn more here. And then the button URL, this is your ClickBank affiliate link. So if I go back, remember we hit promote here, this is the link we're gonna use to get paid, right? If people click on this link, we get money, right? So I'm gonna go back and button URL, I'm gonna add this link here, and you could obviously change the color of the button, all that fancy stuff. I'm not gonna worry about that. I just wanna get this working, and then hit next step, okay? Additional element, just hit none, and then we're gonna hit generate link, okay? Now it's gonna ask you to pay for the software. You don't have to do that, guys. You can actually go to the bottom here and just say no thanks, show my link here, and this is your special link, okay? So now let's test this out and see if it works, okay? Let's go ahead and copy this in here and let's see what happens, okay? So basically now what's gonna happen, it's gonna redirect you to this actual site, okay? This is the site, okay? So obviously it goes here, and then it's gonna redirect you to the actual site where you want them to go, right? Now they get this this article where they're getting value, but more importantly, now they can go click your links, right? Because they're getting value from this. They're also getting, you know, opportunity to go see the ClickBank sale or the ClickBank offer that you have. So one thing I meant to mention, guys, is that we did a redirect, right? So we sent people to that link and it redirected them to the actual site. Now with this website, it actually doesn't let you do a pop-up, which is what I wanted to happen, right? So I wanted to mention that some websites don't allow you to put a pop-up on their site. So this one didn't let you, but we can do a redirect, which is what I just showed you. Now I'm gonna redo this really quickly, but I'm gonna show you the difference with a pop-up and a redirect. Okay, so I found another article here, 5 essential dog commands, and we're gonna use this and we're gonna do the exact same thing, but in this case, instead of doing a redirect, we're gonna have a pop-up come up on the website. Okay, so if I go over here and copy this one here and go to the exact same exitbar.io, we're gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna show you a difference here, okay? And I want you guys to understand the difference here. So if I do dog training 2, Don't worry about this. Now we can choose right here, simple pop-up, okay? Now with the other website, it didn't give us this option, okay? This website here doesn't allow us to do that, okay? And that's why I wanted to do 2 examples, all right? Now, right here, we're gonna do a simple pop-up, which means now when people go to this website, now something's gonna pop up, which is what we want, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna show you a quick example here. So same thing here, guys, just get rid of that. Next step here. And we're gonna do the same thing here, okay? But now we should have a pop-up that just pops up, okay? So we're gonna do the same thing here. Heading, we're just gonna use the same heading here. We're gonna go back over here. All right, let me just do this real quick. Alright guys, I just used the same heading and the same text. I'm gonna leave everything the same here, and then obviously you wanna have a call to action. I'm gonna use the same ClickBank link that we're gonna be using, but the cool thing is you can do this with multiple websites, right? So now I got to learn more. I have it going to my ClickBank link. It's gonna be the same offer that we first chose, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit next step here. There, that's fine. Hit generate link here. Same thing, no thanks, show my link. So now what's gonna happen is now I'm gonna test this out. What should happen now is a pop-up should show up sending people to our link here. Okay, so now it sends them to the actual article. More importantly, once this load, you can see that pop-up that shows up here on the top right. So now when people go here and they hit learn more, it's gonna actually take them to that ClickBank offer, right? So now you can see that it's taking them to the offer, but more importantly, it has my affiliate link, right? So now we can use these authoritative websites, we can use their content and drive people to our links. Now, how do we actually get the traffic to the content itself, right? We're gonna use a very, very powerful traffic source, guys, and we're gonna be using Pinterest. This is one of the best traffic sources, especially in this niche, guys, because people go to Pinterest to learn, they basically learn on how to do things, right? So kind of like YouTube, but with images. So for example, if someone types in dog training, all these images are gonna pop up here. People are here to learn how to do something. It's very, very powerful. It's the image version of YouTube, okay? So let me show you an example here. Here's a pet account here, over 4.5 million monthly viewers. You can see here, and they're doing simple images just like this. And basically they're driving people to their website, okay? And that's exactly what you're gonna do as well. But instead of having your own website, you're driving people to this website here, right? This is the website we use, but more importantly, we're using our pop-up here, right? So now we can use our pop-up to drive people to our affiliate links, right? So that's all we're gonna do. So how do we actually do this, guys? You have to create a Pinterest account, really easy to do. I actually just came out with a Pinterest video today, actually, right here, guys, on how to do all this, how to set it up. But let me go through a quick example on how to do that. So we're gonna go to Pinterest, set up your account, but more importantly, we're gonna set up a pin, okay? So if you go to create on the top left and hit create pin, it's gonna take you to this website here, which looks something like this, okay? So I'm gonna show you exactly how to set this up and how we drive traffic from Pinterest to that website, okay? So now we're gonna be using canva.com. This is how we actually start creating the image. This is very easy to do, guys. This is 100% free. If you go to Canva and just type in Pinterest, it's gonna give you the suggested dimensions of the pin we need, okay? So if I go over here, we can start with any of these pins here, okay? So if I go to create blank Pinterest pin here, it's gonna give us a blank canvas, and what I can do here is search for a template, okay? So if I hit dog, it's gonna give us all these templates here. We can also hit pets, and let's just see what it comes up. Okay, here we go. So let's use this one right here, guys. It's actually a video that we can use. So check it out. It's a video that we can actually use. So now I'm gonna just basically create a pin that's gonna be similar to the actual article, right? So in this case here, 5 essential dog commands, okay? So we can just go ahead and use that inside of our pin, okay? So if I go back to Canva, that's literally all I'm gonna do. So 5 essential dog commands. Okay, very simple, straight to the point. Let me make sure that's spelt right. Make this a little bigger. Let me make this text. And the cool thing is you can drag and drop with Pinterest. There we go, 5 essential dog commands. There we go. Let me see here. Let me change this to black. There we go, 5 essential dog commands. And of course you can change up the background how you want. I'm just gonna make this very, very simple, guys. I'm not gonna put too much time into this, but I'm gonna go ahead and download this on the top right. I'm gonna download this pin, and now what I can do is upload this to Pinterest and drive people to that website. Very, very simple to do. So while this is downloading, what I can do is start creating this pin here and start adding the title. So 5 essential dog commands. And what I can do for the text is I can basically just use the text that's already on here. So just something like this, we can just copy that, put that in the description, and let's see, let's take this down a little bit. It should work. There we go. Perfect. So now we have that in there, 5 essential dog commands, and then you could add on to the title if you want. I'm just going to make this very, very simple. And let me make sure this is good to go. So now I can upload my pin here, go to downloads. There we go. There's my pin. It's actually a video pin, essential dog commands. And now people can go from Pinterest to our actual website, right? But more importantly here, guys, is we want to be able to add our destination link right here, okay? So right here is you want to add your link to the exit IO, okay? So if I go back over here, remember this is the link we're going to be using to drive people, right? We already created this. So when people go to this website, our pop-up shows up on the top right, okay? So now instead of a redirect like we did with this website, now we have people going here, okay? So they're getting some value, but more importantly, they have a chance to go check out your products here on the top right, okay? So check this out, guys. So copy that link here on exit IO, okay, or exit bar IO. We're gonna go back to Pinterest and literally just copy that link inside of there. All right, guys, so as you can see here, I added the title, I have the description, and then of course I have the link here at the bottom. So now all I gotta do is publish this pin, and now I'm gonna drive traffic from Pinterest to the website. Now again, this is not our website here, right? All we're doing here is creating the pop-up, and then the pop-up will show up on the right, and when people click on the link on the right, it's gonna take them to our ClickBank offer, which is this one right here. And that's how we can make money without having to create our own website, without having to create our own landing page, anything like that. Now guys, I do want you to be able to create your own website and landing pages one day. That's how you create a real long-term, sustainable, long-term business. That's how I was able to go from 0 to 6 figures, and that's because I did things right. Now, I'm not saying you can't create an awesome income using this method, but you're not building up your most important asset, which is your email list. That's the only problem with this method. Now, of course, I make videos like this to help you make money without having to invest. But eventually, you do want to invest into not only your education, but also some tools as well. So guys, let me just show you something really quick, okay? This is my one of my back offices, okay? You can see here over $51,000 I've made in just a little over a month and a half. You can see here. This is how much money I've made, just one of my accounts here, okay? I have over 20 plus income streams. I haven't been doing this very long, guys, and that's because I'm building an email list, right? That's the right way to build a business. More importantly, it's predictable and it's something that's gonna work for the long term, okay? Now, I do have a 3-day training called the Business Breakthrough Challenge. This is my 3-day training. It's only $7. I'm gonna walk you through exactly step by step. I'm gonna show you my 3-step system on how you can make money every single day with affiliate marketing, but more importantly, how I was able to go from 0 to 6 figures and quit my 9-to-5 job, guys. If you want a link to that, I'm gonna leave that down below in the link below in the YouTube description. I'm gonna walk you through exactly click by click, step by step on how to get started with affiliate marketing, but more importantly, build a long-term and sustainable business. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. Please subscribe to my channel at Passive Income Lifestyles. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day on how you can quit your job, create financial freedom, and create a 6-figure affiliate marketing business. We'll see you guys on the next one, and God bless.